JSS Mahavidyapeeth is collaborating with Dassault Systems to build Electric Vehicle Mobility Center of Excellence and Innovation, equipped with Electromobility Accelerator, industry solution experiences and develop workforce with the necessary skill in the industry verticals of EV engineering, EV infrastructure and EV manufacturing to support the growth through skill development. The center will focus on core engineering skills covering battery system engineering, electric drivetrain, chassis suspension strength and durability, brake system engineering, powertrain thermal management, powertrain dynamics, body structure concept engineering, body structure, noise and vibration, vehicle aerodynamics and many more. We are happy to partner with JSS Mahavidyapeeth to set up this Electric Vehicle Mobility Center of Excellence and Innovation with a mission to create a pool of knowledge and infuse appropriate skills and competence by establishing rigor in quality skilling, research and teaching in the field of electric vehicle.